Hello friends, how are you? Today we will learn about circle and its parts. Do you know the shape of the circle? Here are the some example like coin, bangles, CD, bicycle tires, Ashok Chakra in national flag, etc. We can use circle in music system also like drum, tabla. We can also use in sports. There are some sports ring. These are some example of circle. Now, what is circle? Circle is a closed curve in a plane. It can be drawn with the help of a circular object. For example, we can draw a circle with the help of a coin. Center of a circle. A circle is a closed curve consisting of all points in a plane which are at the same distance from a fixed point inside it. This fixed point is called as a center. A circle has one and only one center. Radius of a circle. A line segment that joins any point on the circle to its center is called as radius of the circle. Here O is the center of the circle and M is the point on the circle. So OM is the radius of the circle. Radii of a circle are equal in length. We can draw an infinite number of radius in a circle. OK, OL, OM, ON are all radii of a circle. Diameter. A line segment that joins any two points on a circle and passes through its center is called a diameter. Here AB is the diameter of the circle and O is the center of the circle. We can draw an infinite number of diameters in a circle. PQ, AB, ON are all diameter of the circle. As radii of a circle are equal in length, similarly diameters also are equal in length. Here OM, ON are the radius of the circle. If we add both OM and ON, we get MN as the diameter. So the length of the diameter is twice the length of the radius. Chord. A line segment that joins any two points on the circle is called a chord. AB is the chord of the circle. Diameter is also a chord of the circle. In this figure, we can see diameter is the longest chord. We can draw infinite number of chords in a circle. Second, it is a line that intersects the circle at any two points on the circle. Here, KC is the second of the circle. It is a line that contains a chord. We can draw an infinite number of seconds in a circle. Tangent. It is a line that intersects the circle at exactly one point on the circle. This point is called point of tangency. Here, K is the point of tangency and the line passes through K is the tangent. Arc. Arc is the distance between any two points on the circumference of a circle. Here, KL is the arc of a circle. Naming an arc. An arc is named by 3 points, of which 2 are the end points and the third one lies in between them. Here, K and L are the end points and X is the third one point which lies between K and L. An arc divides the circle in two parts, smaller arc, larger arc. Smaller arc is called minor arc and larger arc is called major arc. Here KXL is the minor arc and KYL is the major arc. In this figure, rainbow is the best example of an arc. Semicircle. Half of a circle is called a semicircle. A semicircle is also an arc of the circle. Here, DSE and DRE are the semicircles of a given circle. Let us revise all the terms what we have discussed today. What is this? O. O is the center of the circle. It is a fixed point. Any point on the circle is radius. OM is radius. DE is the diameter which joins two points on the circle which passes through center. What is called? Two points join on the circle. PQ is the chord of circle. What is arc? The distance between two points on the circumference of circle. Half of a circle is called semicircle. DSE is semicircle. Second, MX is the second. Two points that intersect on the circle. Tangent, a line that intersect circle at exactly one point. D is the point of tangency and T is the tangent. That's all for today. Thank you.